Ultamize. Your voice carries more weight online than it does in a room. In person, people have a lot to look at: your movement, your gestures, the space around you. Online, a lot of that, sometimes most of that, is gone. So your voice does most of the work for you. And that means small problems become very noticeable. If your tone is flat, people quickly disengage. If your pacing is uneven, it feels awkward. If your energy drops, attention drops with it. If you speak too quickly or too slowly, that's going to send off weird signals as well. Now, here's what most people do that's wrong: they try to sound professional. And what that really means is they tighten up, they slow down too much, or they speak too quickly trying to get through it. They remove variation from their voice. They try to sound controlled, but what that actually sounds like is being stiff, being robotic. That's not what you want. Instead, you want to sound conversational, like you're talking to one person, not performing for a group. That means your voice should move. You should emphasize certain key words. You should vary your pace, sometimes a little faster, sometimes a little slower. You should allow natural pauses. Don't fill every pause with and here's the next word. No, it's fine to have pauses. Most important, you should sound like you're thinking as you speak, not simply reciting something you've already written or trying to remember what's on the teleprompter in your brain 5 seconds from now. Here's a simple way to test yourself: record a short clip of you explaining something casually to a friend. Then record yourself presenting the same idea. Listen to both. Most people sound more natural in the casual version. Guess what? That's the voice you want for official online business presentations. Not perfect, not polished, but real. So your goal is not to control your voice into something rigid or tense or flat. It's to remove the behaviors that make your voice sound artificial. And when you do that, your voice becomes your strongest tool online.